Hey guys, so in this video today, I just kind of wanted to talk about what was the best sales funnel mastery training that's out there. Now, if you know anything about me, you watch my videos, you can probably guess that I'm going to say the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, it's pretty obvious that it's the best sales funnel training that's out there because it is $100, and it's not just the fact that it's just an awesome training that's going to teach you about sales funnels and offers and how to actually go and launch your own sales funnel. It's the fact that it's a challenge and that it's going to kick your ass and that you'll probably not make it through the challenge the first time. I didn't. I failed out miserably the first time, and I had to go back and take it a second time, and then I got better results and awesome things happened the second time that I took the challenge, right? But the main thing is the reason that I find that it's the best is that it's not just that you're learning from funnel experts about how to go and create an offer and launch a funnel and how to execute it and do it well. It's also that you're getting access to 30 funnel millionaires. So when he talks about the challenge, right, it's not just teaching you how to build a funnel. It's also that he went and talked to 30 people that he's given a One Funnel award to, or excuse me, a 2 Comma Club award to. So these are people who've made $1 million with a sales funnel online. And he asked them, okay, so if you lost everything and you had to start over tomorrow with nothing but a ClickFunnels account and like $1,000 or something like that, or you had to start over and all you had essentially was ClickFunnels, what would you do? So with most people, they talk about, how they would essentially do what they did before that made them $1 million. So they became experts in their different things. So inside there, you're also getting access to, like, once you see there's different types of funnels, right? Maybe your thing is VSL funnels. Maybe your thing's webinar funnels. Maybe your thing's high application or high ticket application funnels. Maybe you want to do just pure information products, low ticket information products. There's somebody in that group of 30 millionaires who's done that thing that you want to do, who kind of lines up with your, what kind of is your comfort level, and has done, $1 million in sales using a sales funnel. So that's also why I think that the One Funnel Away Challenge is the greatest sales funnel training on earth, because not only are you going to learn the ins and outs of a sales funnel, offer creation, how awesome it is, but you're going to see from like funnel millionaires how they did it, and you'll find one of them in that group that kind of, like I say, just jives with you, where you're like, yes, I could do that. I could do that thing. That's what I want to do, right? You'll read what they did, and you'll say, well, that's what I want to do, right? So that's why I feel it's the best training, why you should go check it out and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge, and you can get my case study bonuses where I show you how I took the challenge and actually made some money at the end of the challenge, by applying what they told me. But like I say, it's the best training on the planet. And when you go through there, people think that you have to have some kind of super expertise or some kind of special high ticket product or whatever, but like one of the ladies in there, she talked about how she had just an automated webinar funnel, and she was just selling a single product on how to be a proofreader, and she did over $1 million with her funnel, teaching people how to be a proofreader. So trust me, it can be done in any niche or field. But it is, like I say, the best sales funnel mastery training on the planet. So go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge and check it out, and go launch a funnel. I'll see you in the next video.